That is just freezing air. We'll be using that. Woo! Let's get some. All right. This is what we're going to do. Hopefully I don't trip because it's on camera. That sucks. Oh. Okay. Come on, man. Let the heat out.
Yo, it looks already nicer in here.
About that.
It's warmer in here than it is outside.
Well, I mean,
And it was not that case when we started in here. Is it going up the last time?
Pretty sure, yeah.
Oh, very nice.
It's a plan.
Mother of God.
What? That's what we drove. How did I
This is we shit.
Me and the mouse.
Oh, okay.
Anyway.
It's okay.
It's all
You're
right.
still in a trailer down by the river.
Yeah, no shit.
Look how far we've come.
Look at how you're right about that. Yeah. I didn't think about that.
You know what? And if you'd got it done at time, then it could have been a nice warm shop. And it would have been warm because it was summertime.
It wasn't summertime when you got the bike.
You got this thing in June.
No. June of what? In your mind? You wishing it was June? Because you got it in October. That's a good reason. I broke it. Just walk away. I broke it. It ain't going anywhere once it's bolted in.
Yeah, but we needed that.
What are you talking about?
That was the tab that we used to make the adjustment so that this sat nice.
Oh, it will sit nice when I'm done.
Oh my God.
Just walk.
Just walk away.
Do you want the bike done?
Listen, I would like it done to where it's not all bougie. Well, no, bougie's not the word I'm looking for. Bullshit.
Bullshit? Yeah,
that was the word I was looking
Well,
for.
you know, this will be sold by springtime. Because that's the only time they're going to buy bikes anyway. They're not buying anything in the winter. They can't even take it out.
So,
You say?
I would like to get some money back out of some of these projects. Because I don't know about you, but I've been bleeding money for months.
Bleeding?
Oh, yeah.
Define bleeding.
Like hemorrhaging.
Hemorrhaging? That's because you keep buying shit.
Yeah.
Stop buying shit.
Oh, well, sooner or later, some of these things are supposed to make me some money. You know, like this thing, that thing out there.
You did just hemorrhage. You did just buy a welder. Only people wait until the money gets
You
flipped.
realize that
Most of
the
the people-
welder costs more than this whole project and that whole project put together.
Which doesn't make sense why you bought the welder. Well, I need to know why you need the welder.
I needed the welder. I couldn't
no.
It got to the point where my projects need things now.
Welder. Yeah, okay.
So, yeah. I spent more on that welder than I spent on the Catalanche and the freaking Subaru when I bought them both. And then the pipe bender was another
Yeah, that pipe bender.
$1,500.
But are you gonna really use that pipe bender?
Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
You gotta back it up. You gotta mount the tail light first.
Yeah, we already knew that.
Yeah.
I mean, you'd remember if it hadn't been, a year since you've been here
I need your shit.
to work on this bike.
Don't need your shit right
No, you don't, but this video definitely
now. He
needs
does
it.
not.
He totally
I told you,
needs.
you act different when the camera's on. Don't believe him. This is not him.
That is not true.
It's not true. He's lying right now.
It's not true because I act just like this when the camera's
No, you
not
don't.
on. I
You
do.
don't. No, He's like
Because I the whole time go like, the camera's not on.
He's
right
a
now.
different person.
Well, they'll never know because the camera's.
Because he's gonna edit it out, and you'll never see any of it.
That's not true. Because if you actually watch the videos, there's a lot of times when you're like, you're just gonna edit that out, and I leave it in because it's hilarious that you say it.
What?
The only things I really edit out are the things that are just wildly inappropriate, which you are primed for.
Guess what? Put it on Netflix. Y'all, it's all legal.
Yeah.
You can say whatever you want.
Yeah, this ain't Netflix. It's not my job to bring tools out to a place where you may or may not show up and actually do what you said you were going to do.
Touche. I see what you did there.
You're lucky I brought you. Listen,
I'm glad you didn't put me in the red shed over there.
Oh, that's
yeah, that shit would have died. That shit would have died in there.
Somebody did say I was put out in the barn. I was like, it'll never get worked on if it goes out there.
That's a true statement.
No, I mean, this is a good little.
Yeah, this is great.
For this little project.
Yeah,
It's basically a storage unit with a lot of light.
Yeah.
And now that the lights have warmed up,
Told you.
it is way up. Yeah, but
all you need is real heat and be alright.
Yo, this thing is doing all right. If we would have had it on more than the minute you just started. it would be warm in here. It keeps the garage warm once I get up to temperature.
Not when it's 16 degrees out here. Right, it doesn't do anything really. And when you open the door, all that heat goes away.
Yeah, that thing sucks.
I told you. I don't know what you're smoking.
It used to be better.
You're like, oh yeah, this is great.
That thing might be dying.
It looked like it was cheap. Was that a Tractor Supply?
John had it for years and then gave it to me.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
I'm missing some hardware.
Everything is. Oh, did you look in the bags?
What bags?
Everything that was on this table.
Is this my table?
No, this is my table. This is the table that you had in the shop with all your crap on it. So there's a bag of crap.
Oh no, that's not mine. I had a starter.
And then this is stuff you brought today. This should be mirrors. A kit of stuff, another kit of stuff. This should be everything that was on the table. So if you're missing some, oh yeah, look at here. You got it.
Oh, those are all the grommets. Oh, okay. Yeah,
you got all kinds of crap in here. So that should be everything you like. Freaking mechanic shop. So
everybody keeps thinking that we are, because I see it on Facebook. The messages to Outback come to mind.
Yo, did you see the dude from who the shit?
I don't know who this guy, but he said he wanted what done?
He wanted like quarter panels,
right? And like everything, yeah, like major shit. And
I'm like, Bean for the right money will do that shit, but I don't know who watches our videos and says, yeah,
that's what I want.
That's who I want to work on my shit.
I like, we got nothing that even remotely looks like we did that. The frame swap, that's what you should have videoed.
What?
Did you do video? You videoed the frame swap, right?
The cab swap?
Yeah.
On your truck?
Yeah.
I hate you.
I need a day where I'm sick.
You're dead to me.
No. What's going on? What's happened? Why are you working? Great. So yellow's not working.
Oh, it is so cold.
I know. My toes, I can't feel them.
How's this going?
Lights will all work.
Are you jumping it?
Yeah.
Is the battery dead?
No, I got it to start when I jumped it. Yeah, we'll probably have to,
It's been in here for a while too.
This brake light works.
You could just hook the battery tender up to it. It's on this.
It's on that?
Yeah, there's a battery. That's what this is.
Oh, well, it's doing it. It's charging both.
Look, it's
charging both.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you might as well just leave it hanging up.
Leave it like that.
The little.
Yeah. Signal light work. Come to the back.
Where's the camera?
Over there. I already did all that part.
Is that blinker supposed to be on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yellow.
That blinker's on, yep.
Yep. And brake light.
Looks like brake light to me. I just wish that you didn't break it, so this wouldn't be like that.
I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get a rubber clamp. It'll work out.
Because that was a perfect little spot right there on that deal. It pulled it right up. Really.
Yeah, it was a bitch, man. Never.
Oh, so it's just because it was hard to put in, you snapped it?
It was an accident. What, you think I did it on purpose?
You just made it sound like you did.
No.
It was hard to put in, so, you know.
It was hard to break. Whatever, we break stuff all the time. And that door is horrible on the Z.
What door?
That door.
I told you it was bad.
I can't believe he did that.
Who are you telling?
No. This would have never happened on my watch.
Oh, it totally would have. Well,
probably not.
It's impossible to happen on your watch because you never have the watch.
You're right.
You're never here.
I am here.
Listen, you are here
and
part-time at best.
No, not even that.
Yeah, it's not even that. It's sometimes,
not
man.
Even that. Not even
You were here so much, and now you're not.
That's because one, it got cold, and two, I got the promotion. So
yeah, I'm gonna need you to start getting your work play life situated.
Oh, balance.
Yeah.
The problem with that is my play life. I need to make money. It starts. Oh, of course, the punch is in the way. Ah!
So that's Granberry and the bike's new home out there in the trailer. We just we had too many projects going on in the garage, and he's got a full-time job and doesn't make it over here that often, so I can't really keep giving up space for him. And it's an okay spot, and it'll work out just fine for him. We'll give him a hard time along the way, but it seems like we're playing with the same things over and over and over again, but this time he definitely got the light buttoned up and all the way wired up as you saw it, and it actually works this time. So, you know, moving in the right direction. He got the front of the side pieces on, and a few more times of him coming over, and we'll have that bike pretty close to being done and get it ready for going through the retitling process, because we have to get it inspected and everything to make sure that it's good to go, because it was a salvage title and all that. So.